Alright, so for this chapter we're gonna cover the Nav Bar, which is gonna be this should be pretty easy as well. So for this one, the Nav Bar is just a bunch of links that takes us to different pages on the website. And the first thing that we need to do is go to templates, listings, create a base.html. And this base.html is gonna be our parent template, and the other templates are gonna be the child templates. And what do I mean by that? So we're gonna use inheritance, which is a property of Django, which means that so let me I have something here to explain this. So here, so the base.html is gonna be our parent template, which is gonna contain all the common elements of the website. For example, the nav bar. So the nav bar is a common element that we're gonna have on all the templates that we're gonna have on this website. So we want the nav bar to appear in all of the templates, right? Or most of the templates at least. And in this case, we have like blog content tags, which are gonna act as placeholder for the code to be displayed on each page, or the content to be displayed on each page rather. And the child template. So if this is let's say the new listing page, right? So you still want the nav bar. So you're gonna have to extend from the parent template. So extend from the base.html, and then in between the blog content tags, you're gonna have the content of that page, because each page is gonna have different content. So you're gonna put it in between, and that's for the child template. So let me type it and then we'll go back and see this. So there we have it. So the nav tag, so we have used nav tags, which contain the nav bar, which is just for the nav bar, to create the nav bar. And here these are just links that take you to the different pages on the website. So we provide the URL to each of the pages, to the index or home page, all listings, and new listing. And here we have the blog content tags, which is those are the placeholders, as I said before. So this is a common element, which is the nav bar common element. This is a common element of all the pages on the website, and these are just placeholders for the content that we're gonna have on each child template. So we have created the parent template. So now let's go to the home page, and we need to edit the home page and make a few changes there. So go to index.html. We want the home page to have the nav bar, right? So how do we do that? So we need to use this extends tag, which so it's pretty much saying like, give me all the common elements, so give me the elements from the parent template and display them here. And that's what we're doing here, extends listings. So from which template? From the base template, which is the parent template. So we have the nav bar, right? But the parent template is still waiting for the content that's gonna be displayed. And we don't have, so we have the content, but it's not wrapped by the blog content tags, so it's not gonna display anything. So once we have it like that, let's just give some space here. So now we'll have the content, so the content will be displayed. So in this case, I put code here, but it's content rather instead of code. So the content that we want display is this, the house finder. This is the home page. Subscribe, these paragraphs, and this title. That's what we want here, which is gonna be displayed. And we're also gonna have the nav bar, because we're extending it from the parent template. Yeah, I hope that this makes sense. It's a little bit confusing, but once you get the hang of it, I think you'll figure out. And there is an explanation here of everything that I said. So the base HTML is just the parent template from which the child template index.html inherits from. So that's basically what I said. All right, so let's go to the home page and see if we got the nav bar. As you can see, we get the nav bar here. So let's say that we want to remove these blog tags, so you won't see the content. See? So you don't see the content because the parent template, it's waiting for for whatever goes in between those tags, and we need to provide that in the child template. So let's add them back, and now we should have the content again. So that's basically how it works. So if we get rid of this, we won't have the nav bar. Alright, so we completed the index page or home page. So let's do the same thing for the listings page and the new listing page. So for the listings page, similar process, just copy paste this, I guess. So open all listings.html and just do the same thing. We need this. Alright, let's just give it some space here. Okay, and now if we go to the all listings page, we should have the nav bar as well. And we can use the nav bar here. So go to the all listings page, and you should see the listings and the nav bar. And now we just have to add it here. I think I added it, right? Yes, yes, it's also there. So same thing, just go to the new listing page and just add those extra tags. Alright, and now if you go to the new listing page, we should have the nav bar as well. Let's just refresh. And there you go. Now you can navigate on the website. So this is a pretty short chapter. You can see the quiz here. So the chapters get longer as we progress. I wanted to do one chapter per video. And for the next one, we have the detailed listing page, which is gonna show us all the details of a particular page, a particular listing rather. Alright, so I'll see you on the next video.